Hey guys, it's Afro Angie for Kingdom and Community. And today I'm going to show you how I did these beginner rope twists. I often really struggle with gripping the hair at the roots, and so if I can do it, you can too. So before we get into it, please like, subscribe, and share this video for more amazing content coming in 2020. Let's get started. I'm starting with freshly washed hair that I stretched, and my hair is already parted. This makes twisting easier and faster. As you can see, I've already done the majority. I'm using gel, a crochet needle, and I used about 17 packs of hair because I did jumbo twists, but they're only $2, so it wasn't that expensive. Each part is braided. I'm putting the needle through the braid, then I'm putting the hair on the loop, and I close the loop and pull it through. You won't make a knot like you do with usual crochet methods. You're just going to pull one end of the hair through because it makes it easier when you start twisting. Now, since I'm doing jumbo twists, I do this process twice so that I have a lot of hair to adequately cover the parts. You don't want big parts with insufficient hair. I feel like this method is way easier for people who can't have too much tension on their hair, and you don't have to worry about the braid coming from the root. Something that I always struggle with is just right there. I pull one piece of hair down further so it's a little asymmetrical. This is how I make my twist longer. This gel you use is important because it has to be thick enough so that your hair doesn't curl up. As you can see, this gel keeps my hair kind of straight, which makes it a little bit easier for blending. As you know, I have 4C hair and the hair that I'm using is straight, so it's important that it blends well. And I didn't get it all the way perfect, but this gel made it look way better. Now I'm blending my real hair in with the extension, and then I'm going to wrap the hair around the part one time. You want to do this as tightly as possible so that, as I said, you just want everything to blend in. And I didn't get it down perfectly, but that is key, is making sure it's blended and making sure that it's tight to your scalp. Not too tight, but tight enough. And then I'm just going to twist it down and continue to use gel as I twist so that everything is neat and well put together. One thing you really want to do is pull kind of as you go so that when you finish twisting, it doesn't look blocky, it looks natural and tapered. Okay, I'm going to try to give you guys a little bit of a closer look as to how I'm doing this, especially for those of you who do not know how to crochet your hair. It's very simple, but you do want to take your time, and you don't want to unravel the hair because then your hair will get all tangled, and I had to throw a few pieces of hair away, so be careful. Again, you don't want to use like the Eco Styler gel or those wet gels because they'll make your hair curly and it makes it harder to blend. Okay, this is the most important part for doing any type of twist, especially that are with straighter hair. You have to boil and seal the ends or they will become unraveled at the ends, and it is so annoying. I used a crab boil pot and this was super clutch because I only had to boil it one time and I did it all together. You do want to have a towel ready because the hair is extremely hot and the steam will burn you if you're not careful. Be careful. And voila. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. Thank you again so much for watching, and please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.